2003 Mustang GT, and the AC compressor works just fine, but the clutch is messed up in it, and it's making tons of noise. And I don't want to go ahead and I don't want to pay $100 to rebuild it right now. So I found a way to bypass it. What you do is you take off your tensioner, take off the pulley. When you pull off the pulley, you buy a pulley for a 1999 V6 Mustang, and when you pull that pulley off, you put this pulley on upside down, and then you bolt it back on, and then you buy a 70.5 inch 6 rib belt. I just bought this cheap one because I'm going to rebuild my clutch in the spring. So and then I got the terrible artiste, but I got the belt routing diagram here. And you're going to go ahead, I don't know if I already said it or not, but you're going to pull this, take this pulley off. But there is the diagram, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it together and make sure it works. All right, it's installed. You can clean it up by getting rid of this pulley, but I'm going to be putting all the pulleys back in the original belt. But all right, let's go ahead and wake up the neighborhood, see if it works. Excuse the mess. Belt didn't fly off yet, so that's a good sign. Looks good to me. Let's take her for a cruise. Alright, we'll get one high RPM pull in just to make sure the belt don't break or anything. Okay, maybe two.